Welcome to the tutorial on how to find your unofficial transcript and your academic record. First, you'll want to open a web browser and search www.mnsu.edu/eservices. Once on this page, you'll want to enter your star ID and your star ID password, then click Login. You'll check these two boxes and click Continue. Once eServices opens, you look on the left side and find Academic Records. Then you'll select the middle option, Unofficial Transcripts. Then you'll click Sort by Chronological and get Academic Record. This may take a second to load depending on how big the file is. When it loads, it'll appear at the bottom and you can find your advisor's name right underneath yours. Then on the top right corner, you see the PDF icon and you can click this to download your academic record.